Hey everyone, this is Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you my August cloth and paper subscription box. I do get their stationery subscription as well as their Pinspiration, which is just ink pens, and it came in their lovely black box, which I think is really classy. And then on the inside it tells you what you get for the month. And then I did go ahead and take everything out of the packaging just so you didn't have to listen to me open all of those plastic bags open. But I will jump in and show you what the August kit came with. And I'm going to start with the Pinspiration Kit. Every month the Pinspiration subscription comes with a sort of pen holder. This is this month's. Last month's was more of a clear. This one seems to have a little bit of a brownish tint, and I do keep all of my pens for the month together in these, so I really appreciate that they include these in the subscription. You also always get this pen test sheet, and on the back is a Pinspiration board, so it's just a look at what inspired the pens for this month's box, which I also think is really neat of them to include. And then I will go through all of the pens for this month and do a little bit of a pen test for you. This month, this came, they are sticky Post-its, and it has a place for you to test the ink pens out. So you can have the pen name, the nib size, the nib type, ink type, if it's waterproof, any notes, and then you can rate the pen yourself as a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, which I also thought was really handy. Okay, first up, I'm going to share with you this pen, which is the Keiko Puresoft Touch Gel Pen in orange. It's imported, and it does have a black gel ink, and it has a 0.5 millimeter conical nib. Conical. So, Keiko. I love gel ink pens, so I can tell already that this is going to be a pen that I use a lot. Next up is the Click Me Gel Pen in Teal. It also has a 0.5 millimeter nib on it, and it is a blue-green gel ink. So this is the Click Me Gel Pen. And I do like this one a lot. And then we have the MI Transparent Gel Pen that looks like this. It's an old favorite, so they must have brought this one back from a previous time. And it does have black gel ink as well, and a 0.5 nib. So this is the MI Transparent. Next up, we have the Get a Grip Gel Pen in blue. It has a triangular grip that makes for a comfortable writing experience. And I'm pulling all of this information off of their website, so if you ever have questions about any of the pens that come in the Pinspiration box, that would be a great place to check. Get a Grip Gel Pen. And this does have a colored gel, which I really like. It's pretty. And then we have the Blossom Fluorescent Retractable Highlighter. I like that it's retractable. That's kind of a different feature for a highlighter. Neon pink. And then, like I said, you have the pen test sticky notes, so you can test out your pens on here, even other pens, or if you subscribe to the Pinspiration box like I do, you could kind of keep a running tab of the different ink pens that you get. So that is the August 2020 Pinspiration box. So let's jump into the stationery subscription box. When I opened my box, this is the first thing that I saw. It's just a nice heavy cardstock. It's a little bit shorter than a letter size piece of paper, and it says it isn't where you came from, it's where you're going that counts, Ella Fitzgerald. And I think this would be really classy to frame in a picture frame and hang up in your office or in your house. I think that's a really nice thing for them to include. And then let's jump into the inserts that came in this month's kit. They do offer a variety of insert sizes. I happen to subscribe to their half letter disc inserts. So first we have their 2020 style vertical weekly. So you do get this month at a glance with the goals, important dates, your bills, and a to-do list, as well as a monthly. And then you jump right into their vertical style insert, which looks like this. So you get that for October, and then a notes page. This month also came with their new executive notes insert. So it is a dot grid, and it has a subject up here with the day, the month, and the date, which I really like this type of note-taking insert. I'll definitely be using those. And then their new habit tracker sheet. So these are a little bit different than their old habit tracker sheet. I like that it has a calendar sort of box, and you can write the habit and your goal and any notes for that. Then you get the October month cover dashboard, which looks like this. And the I Am the Architect dashboard. And if you're not familiar with cloth and paper, this is a really nice thick vellum, thicker than anything I've ever been able to find, just like on Amazon or anything. So I appreciate the quality of their paper products. And then the abstract letter, it's got a big S for September. And then we have the oat, milk, and sorbet shaped sticky notes. So we have a hexagon and a circle. And then everyone is going crazy about these, and these are a custom thing that Brittany made from cloth and paper, and I am very excited to use these. They are cut out in a tab shape, and you get a clear or a white, and I think there's some other colors too, so depending on what you get, it's kind of luck of the draw. But they are adhesive on the bottom, and you can put that obviously in your planner to make your own tabs. And then lastly, we have the journaling cards for the month. So lots of awesome stuff. Again, this month, this is quickly becoming one of my personal favorite subscription boxes. And like I said, I just really appreciate the quality, but also the simplicity of the products, and everything is always going to match, so it's not going to be a surprise. Everything's kind of a neutral color scheme, and she does a great job offering a variety of colors but still sticking to that aesthetic. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I'll be back next month with another unboxing.